Hello friends and welcome to my channel That's Curious Girl, and in today's video we will be locating the countries of Southeast Asia with the help of map. So let's begin. So as you can see in the map, the countries which are colored in dark green color are the countries which constitute the Southeast Asia. There are total 11 countries present in the Southeast Asia. If we look at the location of this region, then a large part of this is present in the northern hemisphere and a very small part is present in the southern hemisphere. And this region is located to the east of India, to the south of China, to the west of New Guinea and to the north of Australia. Now this is the detailed map of Southeast Asia. Many water bodies are also present in this region, and to the west is present the Bay of Bengal, to the south is present the Indian Ocean, to the east is present the Pacific Ocean, and to the north is present the South China Sea. Now we will be discussing all the countries one by one. So the first country is the Myanmar. As shown in the map, the red boundary is the boundary of Myanmar. This is also known as Burma. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw and the currency is the Myanmar Kyat. The second country is Thailand. The capital of this country is Bangkok and the currency is the Thai Baht. Next country is the Laos. The capital is the Vientiane and the currency is the Laotian Kip. Another country is the Vietnam. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi and the currency is the Vietnamese Dong. Next country is the Cambodia. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh and the currency is the Cambodian Riel. Next country is the Malaysia. Now as you can see, Malaysia is distributed into the two parts. The two parts with the red boundary constitute the Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur and the currency is the Malaysian Ringgit. The next small country is the Brunei. Okay, so this country shown here is the Brunei. The capital of Brunei is the Bandar Seri Begawan and the currency is the Brunei dollar. The next country is the Singapore. Now again, Singapore is a small country located here. The currency of Singapore is the Singapore dollar, and Singapore itself is the capital of Singapore. Okay, so Singapore city is itself the capital of Singapore. The next country is the Indonesia, and you can see that Indonesia is a large group of islands. Basically many islands constitute the Indonesia. So this island is the Sumatra island, this island is the Java island, this particular island is the Kalimantan island, this island is the Sulawesi island, these islands are the Maluku island, this is the Papua, and here Bali is located. Then this is the Sumba island, these are the Tingara island, and this is the Timor. Okay, so these are the islands which constitute the Indonesia. The capital of Indonesia is the Jakarta, which is located in the Java island, and the currency is the Indonesian rupiah. Also many seas are present here. So this is the Java Sea to the north of Java island, this is Banda Sea, this is Celebes Sea, this is Arafura Sea, and this is the Timor Sea. Okay, so this was the Indonesia. The next country is the Philippines. Philippines is also composed of many islands, and here South China Sea is also located to the west of it, and the capital of Philippines is the Manila and the currency is the Philippine peso. Now the last country in the Southeast Asia is the Timor-Leste. The capital of Timor-Leste is Dili and the currency is the US dollar. So these were the 11 countries which constitute the Southeast Asia. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.